Hello, this is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is a full 37 foot 6 inch with the optional extended swim platform. It has a full beam of 11 foot 4 inches. This boat is equipped with the twin 8.2 mags that has the upgraded engines. We'll start here on the swim platform. First, of course, as mentioned, the extended swim platform gives you great space. When you're in the marina, you want to set some chairs up, have a lot of room to get on and off the boat. Below that swim platform is what we call the swim step. It deploys over here at the side, goes down. Great place to hang out when you're anchored out, kids swimming, etc. Also on the transom, you've got your cooktop, accordion solid surface counters, wet bar area, and lots of storage underneath in these two drawers. As you see, you also have your Fusion speakers here for the swim platform. Well, now we'll step up into the cockpit of the boat. So now we're in the cockpit of the 350 Coupe. You'll see you have a great U-shaped seating area over on the port side and the stern area. More seating over on the starboard side. The table converts to a full sun pad. Flat screen TV, big lounge area on the port side. The sure shade extends when you have the isinglass down. Goes all the way out for great shade when you're sitting further back in the boat. As we move up to the helm area, you've got the retractable sunroof. And then at the actual helm, you've got your Axios joystick controls, digital throttle and shift, Simrad display, and Fusion stereo. Well, now we'll take a look down below at the cabin of the 350 Coupe. Well, now we're in the cabin of the 350 Coupe. This is the mid-cabin berth area that converts with seating. We step into the galley, you see the solid surface counters, microwave, refrigerator, lots of seating throughout. Over on the starboard side, this converts to a bed. Over on the port side, you have additional seating, flat screen television as well, and then big berth in the V. Well, again, thank you for taking the time to check out our Sea Ray 350 Coupe. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100.